So in the way that I do things, I split things up. So I effectively have 3 tools or 3 ways to trade. I do normal trading, positional trades, and then just spot investing, where you sit and hold on for it for a year or 2. Throughout I've really been investing heavily in crypto since 2016. So I'm 7 years in, really. All of my big, massive wins, all the times where I've made hundreds or thousands of percents, it's been from my positional trades. And those positional trades actually then eventually turn into spot. So it's all been from that. But also looking at last year, all my big losers were actually from the positional trades, just because it's just because of the risk, really. So typically the process tends to be doing normal 0.1 sort of trades to get in a trend of some sort, and then sometime positional, if the trend is confirmed, etc., then I may then go and do a positional trade which may exaggerate that move. So normally this and this are going in the same direction, and then eventually you turn into spot because it's definitely a bull market or a bear market, blah blah blah. But yeah, so the reason I'm delaying this is, I'm still umming and ahhing about it, is because this 5% play will be a positional trade, which is effectively going against the trend. So yeah, normally I need to be about 70% confident in a trade before I execute it. Right now I'm sat at probably 55-60% confident. So I don't want to be flipping a coin, if that makes sense. Whereas, the algo trade here, I know it bombed out, but when I saw that setup, I was like, oh yeah, I'm confident. I'm 70% confident it's the right play to make. I know it got bombed out, but so yeah, there is a big difference in trading between your confidence percentage, then probability of trade. A lot of people get these confused. Probability. So the only way that you can decipher the probability of an outcome of a trade is by using a system. Trendy jibe, halo, whatever, and you only know that through stats, etc. And so if, let's say, you're doing the halo and then you have one sweet hell of a mother halo, and it's beautiful, it's in an uptrend, you've just got, it's done this, you've seen this on a pullback and all the EMAs, and it's like the sexiest damn halo you've ever seen in your life. Well, the probability of that doing well is relatively high. So you probably say to yourself, there's, I don't know, a 70% probability that this will be a good halo. But because of the sexiness of it all, your confidence will probably be 80%. And so you're definitely so there is a stark difference. So yeah, a lot of people get confidence and probability of a trade misconstrued. Now, looking at this Bitcoin positional trade, as I said, I'm like, I don't know, let's say 55% confident on it, and the probability, I'm not sure. And the reason I'm not confident in this trade is because I'm still quite trying to decipher the probability of the trade. I can't work it out at the moment. And for me, it's not strong enough to say, oh, my gut thinks it's going to drop based on fundamentals or whatever. That's not good enough. I can't just place a gut trade.